In this video, I'm going to talk about how to record your own voice and add that to whatever note that you like this one that you're seeing here. In order to do so, I need to create a new note. So I right click here and I click on new note. And for example, let's name it my notes and I press enter. So in order to add audio files in our notes, in order to record audio files and voice messages, we need to do two steps. Number one is to create a folder. So here I right click and I want to create a folder, and let's for example name it assets. Remember that all of these names are arbitrary. You can choose whatever you like. So I create a folder named assets, and once again I right click on this assets folder and I want to create another folder inside that folder, and I want to call it attachments, and I press enter. So we have this attachments folder. So first of all, I should go to settings by clicking on this icon, and then as you can see here we have files and links. So I click on it, and here it says default location for new attachments, and those audio files is a kind of attachment. For example, images are also attachments, but those audio files are also attachments. So I want to store them not in the vault folder, but actually in the folder specified below. And as soon as I click on it, a field appears, and I click on this field, and as you can see, it shows the folders in my vault. So for example, I want to store them in this folder, attachments folder in the assets folder. So I click on this. So this was step number one. But step number two is to enable this feature. And for doing so, I need to go to this part, core plugins, and I need to enable audio recorder core plugin. And after enabling it, if I close this, as you can see here, we have this icon. So for example, this is my note. I click on it, and as you can see, my cursor is blinking here. So if I click on this icon, it is recording my voice. And after that, if I click on it again, as you can see, I've recorded my voice, and it inserts that in this note because my cursor was there. And this file is stored in this folder because we have said so, because we ourselves have specified this folder for Obsidian to store all of these attachments, like for example, these audio files and images. And we said to Obsidian that we want to store all of them in that folder. This was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of Obsidian. You can find the link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.